Hey John, just thought we'd give you a little video to show you what we're doing today. Getting the bottom put on. This is a all hands on deck kind of day. Got everybody in the shop working. It's kind of one of those things, once you start you got to finish it. So you see Paul here spreading out the 5200 to hold the planks down. They're almost finished with this part of it. Here you can see. They can show you the other side. Got the other side all down. The other side, it'll all be done by the end of the day. But what they'll end up doing is, so you have these fasteners with the washers. What they'll do is they'll go back, they'll pull all those fasteners out, put these are kind of a temporary fastener in a sense. They'll pull these fasteners out with the washers, put the screws that are going to stay in it back in it, and then all this extra squeeze out here will be cleaned up. It'll all be cleaned out flat and flush before and then before they can sand. What they'll do is we'll cover the bottom with plastic, and we'll probably do another video once we start all that, or at least take some pictures and let you see that. But they'll soak everything in the bottom with water, cover in plastic, let it set for, I'm not exactly sure how long it is. It's a day or two, a couple days, something like that, before they start before they can finish the bottom, put the paint on and fair it all in perfect and everything. So just kind of want to let you see what was going on here. It's definitely a messy project.